Hello everyone. Today we will see how to add floor finish legend in floor plan. So you can follow the page 66 and on the top left corner you can see the floor finish legend with the floor plan where you can see the carpet 1, carpet 2 tile and wood flooring, and as per the hatch you can see your floor plan is hatched accordingly, right? So we will learn how to add that floor plan floor finish legend in level 11, and then you will do the same thing on level 12. So let's get see how to add a floor finish legend. So you can see on page 67 on bottom left, sorry, bottom left corner, you can see uh, how to make that legend and instruction on bottom right corner on page 67. Okay, so let's get started. So how to add a floor finish legend. So first you need to check where is annotate on the ribbon and up on top. So if you just click on annotate, you need to go all the way to the right corner where you will see the color fill legend, and you have 3 color fill legend options in there, but you need to just select color fill legend there and make sure you place that on inside the window. If you place outside somewhere here, it will be not visible. So make sure you click on that legend inside that a crop window like this. Okay, now you need to edit that. Just click on it. This is like when you have to do the edit type, you will just select the text height. So just click on it. And once you click on this, on the top, you will get modify color fill legend and say edit scheme, and then pop out box of edit color scheme will come. So this where we need to follow the book on page 67. Can you change this category to rooms? Okay. And then click on the names. And once you click on the names, you can just click on duplicate on the bottom side there. Click on duplicate and rename as floor finish and say okay. My mouse. Okay. Okay. So click on the floor finish. You just need to delete this. Change the title to floor finish legend. And then the color to floor finish. Okay. Once you do that, all these detail will get changed. Now let's add new value, clicking on add value, clicking on this green plus sign, and you will say name as carpet 1. CP, sorry, CT1, CPT1, CPT one. Then you will add one more CPT2, add one more say tile, add one more say word or WD, and then as per the book you will change color to black, change color to black. Just select on the custom colors on this side. It is black. Change color to black. Say okay. And instead of solid fill, we will change the hatch pattern there. So for carpet 1, you will select sand dense as per the book on page 67. Sand dense. For carpet 2, you will select sand, and for tile, you will select crosshatch, and for wood, you will select diagonal down. Okay, so if you see here, you get a preview in here. You will say apply and okay. Now, if you see still it didn't change anything because we have to add the same floor finish level to rooms. Okay, so now what you need to do, if I just click on any of the rooms, office 1104, and then when you see the room, you will get much details in here. Okay, so for this part, you will just select a floor finish. If you go all the way down in properties panel and identity data, you will select a floor finish. When you click on this, you will get a drop down arrow and you will say, you need to check for this on page 66 top corner plan where it says on 1104, that's carpet 1 because it's much more dense. So I will say carpet 1 and say apply. Now, if you see here, you get that hatch pattern in carpet 1. So you will just select each room. To select each room, you just need to click on a cross. Or you need to just hover over the room until you get the cross, and then you will click on that cross. So your room will get selected. And then you will select a floor finish level. For meeting room is carpet 2. And then you get that dense. For lobby, it is wood because it's hatch. So just say wood and you will get that hatch in there. I will repeat that. When you have to select the room, you need to hover over the room until you get the cross. Once you get that X, you will click on that room, and in identity data, you will come all the way down, click on a floor finish level, and select carpet 1. You need to finish that for all the rooms. If you see for open office, I will just hover over it on the plan until I get the cross. I will click on it, Click on the floor finish drop down and I will say carpet 1. In the kitchen, I will just say floor finish and its tile. So now if you see here, you all get this floor finish levels. You just need to align your floor finish level however you want to work on. And then this, if you see here, if you want to change the text height, you can go in edit type and change this radius. Let's see, if you see here, scale is 1/8. That's right, you don't have to change it because once you go in a floor plan legend, you will able to see this. So if you want to see and move that a bit inside of, you can just change your view so you will able to see the floor finish legend inside inside that sheet. Okay, so that's how to add floor finish legend. Jimmy will be there to help you. So finish this in today's class and I will show you in the next video how to add how to add the break line.